Okay, so for lesson 6.5, example 3, directions say to determine whether the following could be lengths of a triangle. This is in reference to theorem 6.10 called the triangle inequality theorem. There is a link on the notes. If you go to my website and find the notes, there's a link that will describe this theorem and an example set to do there. But with this one in particular, what the theorem says is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than the length of the third side. So to test that out, we're going to do every possible combination of two sides we can. So for instance, we're going to start here in number 1 with the 3 and the 7. Adding those together, 3 plus 7, we need to check and see if that's greater than 9, which I believe it is. So we're good on the first one. Then we've got to do another combination. How about 3 and 9? Is that greater than 7? And that would be a yes there as well. So now we need to do the final combination of 7 and 9. Is that greater than 3? Well, of course it is. Both numbers by themselves are greater than 3, so that's a check. So since all three combinations work out, our final answer is yes, we have a triangle. On to number 2. So we pick our values. 4 plus 8, is that greater than 13? And the answer is no, it's not. We'll try another combination of 4 and 13. Is that greater than 8? And yes, it is. How about the last combination of 8 and 13? Is that greater than 4? Well, again, of course it is. Both of them are greater than 4 all by themselves. However, right here, because we said no, and that one, that will now tell us that we do not have a triangle, because our two sides have to be greater than the third side in all possible combinations. On to number 3. So here again, we're going to pick our two smallest sides first here. 15 and 13. Is that greater than 28? No, it's equal to 28. So again, that's probably going to be a problem. But if we check all the other combinations, 13 and 28, is that greater than 15 by itself? Yes, it is. How about we do 28 and 15? Is that greater than 13 by itself? And that's a yes, it is. But again, because we have this one, messed it up for all the rest of us, this is not a triangle. Lastly, number 4. Yeah, there are two sides that are equal to each other. That's okay. It means it could be isosceles. But we're still going to run through our check anyways. So we'll pick 5 and one of those 8s. Is that greater than the other 8? Well, yes, it is. How about 5 and the second 8 being greater than the first 8? Again, yes, that works. And lastly, 8 and 8. Is that greater than 5? And the check is yes. So since all three of these are yeses, then we have this as a triangle. So the shortcut here is add the two smallest sides and to be bigger than the third side. If that works, the rest will work as well. Okay? And there you have it.